You know, you might not otherwise have an option to own a home. And really, the best solution is alternative housing in terms of alternative materials like earth and straw and aircrete. Because once you begin to think outside the box, your world opens up to endless possibilities when you no longer have rent. And that requires considering an alternative lifestyle, a different way of living, a different structure to live in, setting your money free to do as you wish, to even make the job optional. And if these things are interesting to you, come on over and check out our online video courses, our workshops, or even you're welcome to come stay in our new ecotourism program where you can experience what it's like living off grid in an aircrete structure. And you can do it on your vacation on the way to the Big Bend State or National Parks. So come on over to tinygiantlife.biz or check out the links in the description to learn more. Sign up for the email list and have a wonderful day.